Okay, to answer question number 19 on our test 3 review for 1105, we're also going to use the graphing calculator. So let's go directly to the calculator. The inequality we're trying to solve is actually a quadratic inequality. If you were to multiply these together, you would see that x squared would be the leading term. But there's no need to do that. It's kind of neat actually. Since you already have 0 positioned, we're going to go to our calculator and we're going to type in the left-hand side of this as a function. And I did it right with the parens. Left paren x minus 1, right paren. Left paren x plus 3, right paren, and hit graph. And when I do, I come up with a parabola. It crosses the x-axis at 1, which is no surprise. That would make this a 0. And it also crosses the x-axis at -3. And the graph looks something like, it's a parabola. This part goes up, this part goes up, and this is the little u part right here. Now, what we're asked to do, I can put the graph away now that I've transferred it to my paper. We're asked to find where y is greater than or equal to 0. Well, if y is greater than 0, it means I'm either in quadrant 1 or 2. So we're talking about these branches of the graph. And of course, equal 0 just means we would include the zeros as part of our answer. I give the answer in terms of x. So when I scan along the x-axis as to where this branch comes from, it would be from, on the x-axis, from -infinity to -3, and I'm going to make it inclusive since -3 is a 0 of the function and we're allowing that. Union. This branch occurs when x is a number bigger than 1. And the way I would write that is from 1 to infinity. And I am going to turn that into a bracket. Again, the reason I'm going to bracket it is because my zeros are included. This would be my solution set for problem number 19.